In this video, we will learn about joins and transpose functionality in Power Query with some good example. So let me show you the data model. So here you can see we have product category, product subcategory, and then we have product, this products table, right? So we need to first join these two tables. Then we will see how we can do table transpose in M language. So let's go to the Power Query editor. Just need to click transform data. And here we have products category. This is one table and this one is the second table. So first we need to click like a product category, and then you can go to merge query here and click to the merge queries as new, because we need to do all the transformation in a new query. And here we have to select the column on which we will join these two tables. The first, the column that we need, this is the product key, and the second table is product subcategory, this one. And then we need product category as a foreign key here, product category key, right? And here you can see join kind is a left outer join, and because we need only those categories where the product category key is matched to the product subcategory table. And here we can choose inner join and click OK. So every row is a table, as you know already, because we are getting against every product key we are getting one table. And what we need is, we are interested in the column product English product category name. So we need to add another column here. Just need to go to the we just need to click add column, custom column. Here we have to write one function, table dot select column. Then we need to provide the first parameter is the table, and here you can see the name of the table is dim product subcategory key. This is the column that contains table information, table with every row. So here we have to provide dim subcategory, this one, and then in which column we are interested. We are interested in the English product subcategory name. So it will be English, and we need to close. So here you can see we are getting one error, so there is a problem with the column name. So we need to click here setting. So we just need to change, there is some, because the column name was not correct. So English product subcategory name, click OK. So here you can see we are getting this table for every product category, and below you can see there are different subcategories against every category, and we need to transpose this column in front of every product category. So how we can do that? We just need to add one more column here. Let me zoom it, and here we have to write, for example, table dot transpose. So this is the function that need one table, and what is the table? It's a custom, right? It's a one column table, close, and here you can, and then we need to click OK. So here you can see, if you click here, we are getting different columns depending on the value. So we will get as many columns as we have values or the rows in the product subcategory column. And so what we need to do now, just click here, and we need all, click OK. And we don't need custom columns, product subcategory, French, Spanish, we just need to delete. And here you can see now we can change the name of the columns depending on your requirement. So here you can see this is the product category, and with every product category you can see the number of subcategories are being transposed. So here you can see how easy it is to transpose rows into columns. In the next video we will try to add a list in it and some more tables, and then we will try to solve one business problem.